Yes, so in this video you learn change of character with point of interest. So the point of interest is basically the value zone where we are looking to take trades. So when price comes to that zone, there's something that happens right there. So as you can see, this is an impulsive move, and usually when you have an impulsive move, the last valid pullback is the inducement. But in this case, it is not inducement, it is change of character. So this is where we wait to see if price will come back. So when price hits the point of interest, that is a valid zone, and mitigates this zone, which used to be the inducement, it means there's a change of character. It means there's an indication or a signal that the trend is going to reverse. Okay, so when that happens, the next thing is to wait to see if we're going to see a pullback like this. Okay, so a valid pullback is more important. Once you say valid pullback and then price goes below and break the change of character, then that is your break of structure. Okay, so and immediately you see change of character plus break of structure, that is equal to trend change. Okay, so the same thing happens if it is an uptrend, so or downtrend to uptrend. So the same thing, you just look for COC and BOS. Once that happens, you know the trend has changed, and make sure that the candle for the break of structure close below the line for break of structure. So you can see there was a reversal here. So let's go down to the lower time frame to see exactly what happened. Okay, so this is the impulsive move that approached the point of interest zone. So we're going to mark the zone, the impulse. So remember, link in the description below will take you to our Telegram channel where you can get trade signals daily. And if you want mentorship, you can DM the admin at InvestorK23. Okay, so this is the impulse, the impulsive move that led into the point of interest, and you can see the last valid pullback. So, and you will see the move that take out the last valid pullback, which used to be inducement but now is change of character. Okay, so price came back and took it out, so we can now see that we have a change of character. So, and what happened next? We had a valid pullback and a break of structure forming the BOS. You can see it right there. So you can write it there so that you can always remember. So we have COC plus BOS, which is equal to trend change, and you can see that the candle of the break of structure closed below the impulsive move that created the COC. Okay, so once we see those two confirmed, it means the trend has changed. So what we start looking for is an opportunity to short the market. And if you look ahead, you see that this market actually fell like pieces, like it fell. So if you are short the market there, actually took this trade and made good profit. So this is how you find shorting opportunities, changing trend. So the same thing happens in the reverse case. Okay, join the class, see you in class.